so you guys can see this. That trick, I don't know how you, I don't know what to call it yet, but so first off, I started out by making something like this. Here's another example, and to make this, I simply put one domino right here, and then you don't want to have too many dominoes. If you make one like really big, then I guess. But if it's something like this big, 3 or 4 is just recommended. It works better. It could work better if this was leaned back, but it can still work if that. Now, for thick dominoes, I haven't experimented with these yet, but I'm just going to try a little something. I don't know how much it will work, but yeah, let's see. Yeah, no. Let's see if I can try something else. Wait a little bit. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, boy. Yeah, try that. Yeah. Yeah, if you look closely, that these are a little thinner, and these are actually way thicker. I prefer the thick ones because they're actually way better for domino building when it comes to Mexican train. But yeah, like no one uses Mexican train dominoes that very much anymore. Now the most popular brand are basically bulk and lamping dominoes. Now I never had this question asked, but some of you guys might be wondering, do you have bulk or lamping dominoes? In which I'm pretty sure most of you guys know I have just bulk. To be honest with you, I actually have both. These, let's see if I can dig this. This is a lamping domino. Yeah, I don't know if you guys. Yeah. Sometimes we get mixed up. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace out.